We quote you the worst case scenario before the repairs start. The final price is usually less than the quote. Our prices are fair and very, very competitive. We'll even tow your car for free. All of our work comes with a 7-year prorated warranty that's good in all 50 states. We have shops usually within a few miles from where you live. We are fast and we're good, but we don't guarantee a particular time frame because some things are beyond our control. Sometimes there's actually nothing wrong with your transmission, even though it appears to be completely out, like a bad computer or a broken wire. These repairs only cost a small fraction of a transmission rebuild, and we look for these problems first because we know you want to save money. Call the number on the screen for a free quote now.
Hello, I'm Jack, and I want to tell you about a really good car repair company. It's called The Transmission Shop. And I took my car in there about a month ago to get the transmission repaired. I took the car into the transmission shop. It's a Subaru Outback. I talked to John. He assessed the car. He gave me a really good price. In fact, the price he quoted was lower than most of the competition. He told me exactly what needed to be done and when they could do it. I brought the car in exactly when he said, and within 2 days my car was repaired. They gave me a great warranty too. I've been really happy with them. They're a great company. I think you should give the Transmission Shop a try.